Basically, we're installing a new SSD in my computer. Why? I need a storage for my second YouTube channel where I film myself playing CSGO, Roblox, and other various games, pretty much. So, here is our lucky little participant. It is a half a terabyte Silicon Power Ace A55 SATA 3 SSD that I bought for 25 euros, which is actually more than on Amazon. But that's only if you look at the listing price, because in reality, it's more expensive on Amazon because of shipping. Even if I ordered shipping for this, it still would have been cheaper. Shipping in Slovenia would have been less than 5 euros for Amazon. Postage, packaging, and shipping, 12 euros. So yeah, but luckily I just told them, hey, just deliver this to one of your stores and I'll just pick it up. And I did. I picked it up after school. My mom drove me on the way there, since we were already heading home and it was sort of in our path, in our direction. So we just went there, I paid for it, and then we headed home. So big computer getting upgrades. Okay, unplug all the HDMI. Oh yeah, don't forget, turn off the power supply and then just unplug the cable, and then we're just disconnected every cable that we need to. Oh, Ethernet. I forgot about Ethernet. Okay, that should be all the cables. Just a sudden tug and it falls. Oh boy. Forgot how big it is. Like from up close, it's really big. Luckily I have more work surface area now than I used to. Ow. I still somehow can't use a lot of it because I'm still bad at managing my area of surface stuff. I don't know. Okay. Okay, look at this big boy. Whoa. I like glass. What? That was uncalled for. That was uncalled for. You can see yourself now. And me. More than once. Okay, so it's really dusty. Well, the rubber pads are actually the most dusty part about this exterior right now. Why is there no dust filter here? It's just opening. Just a random opening. Wow, how cool. Okay, so the dustiest rubber pad here is the bottom left one. Well, that depends where you're looking at it from. So if you're looking at it from the front, bottom right. If you're looking at it behind, it's the front left. But if you're looking at it from here, bottom left. Foi. Yucky. Does it is? I feel like this is removable. Or not? Okay. Let's not break it now. Let's clean our dust filter for our power supply. Because, yeah, to be fair, dust still makes it through. You know, the dust filter. I still see like little tiny bits of dust that are on the grill, so that means they didn't make it all the way through, potentially. Probably did. But, however, most of the dust, the bigger chunks at least, do get stopped here at this filter. And then there's also the grid from the case, and also the actual power supply itself. So that's a lot of protection. Plus, it's not fully against the surface. Mileage may vary. Plus, you know, the cleaner the room, the smaller the chance of this happening is. Oh wait, it's the exact opposite. Yep. Bro, seriously, it's just one more. There's nothing we can do. God, it's already been 5 minutes and we haven't even got inside the computer yet. There we go. That went way more smoothly. Okay, now let's actually start opening up this case. Get our extra light. Oh my god, that is unbelievably useful. That's literally a night and day difference. Okay, I'm just gonna unscrew multiple ones at once, if I can. Okay, get this off. Get off. Get off of my case. I just put it right next to my homemade trash can, which, funny enough, is also the box for this case. Very useful. Your box is very useful as a trash can. Thank you very much. Thank you. Arrivederci. Arrivederci. It's completely cool. I haven't turned it on since yesterday, actually. So that's pretty cool. Oh, you know what I should get from downstairs? The actual cable to power the SSD. Wait, do I even have a SATA data cable? Dun 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 dun. Okay. Let's use this chair to sit. Let's see. What even is this? This is probably PCIe. Oh. Okay. Well, I was right, I guess. There you go. Yoink. This is the cable. This is definitely SATA. It's gotta be SATA. Why does it say nothing? Why do you say nothing? Yeah, that's definitely SATA. Wow, they can actually... How many... He's got 3 of these. Are you actually trying... No, that's more than 3. Are you actually trying to tell me this can power 4 SSDs or hard drives? Depends. At the same time. What? He's got that L shape. That's definitely SATA. Holy moly. That means we could actually have a ton of hard drives or SSDs in our build, thanks to the fact we have a server motherboard with a ton of SATA slots. Well, ports, I guess. And this bad boy that supports 4 at once from just one plug. That's pretty neat. That's really neat. Holy moly! But where's the SATA port? Or SATA connection thing? I don't know. I don't think I have that. That's a not good. I have this. Good start. Where is the thing I need to actually even connect to the... Oh, is this it? No. What even is this? What are you? What are you? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is probably oh yeah, this is a similar thing, but it uses Molex instead. And SATA as well, but then this thing. What are you? I don't know. I regret buying this sticker so soon because I don't really have my computer here anymore. It's just a laptop now. Yeah, just a laptop. Let's keep looking. Okay. Oh, I thought this was it. I got excited, but then I was like, oh no, that's just USB. Are you kidding me? I really don't have a SATA cable? I have a SATA USB cable, but for some reason I don't have a SATA to SATA cable. Why is this still here? Wait. Hold that thought. This is SATA. Serial 88. Yeah, this is it. Okay, we do have one. Just one though, but that's enough. I was planning originally on getting 2 SSDs, but I wasn't even sure if I had a SATA connector yet. I don't even know where I was gonna find this. Well, I was guessing here, but still. So yeah, thank God I only got 1 SSD. I mean, I already have an M.2 SSD with a terabyte of storage. I don't really need I don't need 2 half a terabyte SSDs. I think another half a terabyte SSD would be just fine. And for just recording videos that after an hour take up like 4 to 5 gigs, that's not bad. Well, it is 1080p, but 60 FPS. So it's actually really good. Fairly efficient for OBS, I'd say. Time to set you back down. And time for me to continue being tortured by human limits. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Please focus on the couple of keycaps here. Yes, that's so worth it. Why? I am literally the one that's doing this, the actual... yeah, whatever. Oh wait, I have to remove the back panel. This is more just like slide the SSD in. And hope it'll fucking... Yeah, this is more of a hard drive bay, not an SSD bay. This SSD is tiny, it's 2.5 inches. We do SSD! Oh my god, we do SSD! Look, no, but seriously, this is a tiny SSD. Actually, well, where could I put this SSD then? Could I force it? Okay. It's actually not as light as I thought it would be. I mean, it is still fairly light compared to a hard drive. Like it's a paperweight for paper. If paper was considered this, I don't know. It's very light. It's a oh, it uses 3D NAND. I didn't even know that. That's a nice touch. Okay, cool. I didn't know that. But anyways, okay, let's see. But I'm probably gonna use it like this. No, you know what? It's actually better on the motherboard because it's gonna. Is it even gonna be that way? Does this motherboard even take SATA? I mean, it probably does. If it doesn't take SATA, that would be so surprising. It probably does, right? Probably does. No way it doesn't. No way. No way. Maybe I'm just drunk. Let me just use this side. Maybe that'll make a difference. I don't know. Maybe I'm bad at just plugging it in. Who knows? Probably the case. Well, aka me, not the case. Okay, that's how it plugs in. And just pull that pin. Okay, easy. Does that mean I can use this side? Well, let's see actually, you know? Oh yeah, I can. But it actually damages the cable because of how many freaking wires there are. Get out of there. Oh, see? That's what the wires did. Wires do not like other wires. I know that I was shocked too, honestly. Actually, now that we're actually opening this machine up again, we could probably do a good old thing called let's actually manage the cables better. Because, I mean, why wouldn't I? I mean, it seems like a good idea in my opinion. Make sure not to place it. Okay, to be fair, while this case is like, you know, it's not rough metal, it's soft. Well, not really soft, but it's not gonna, it's not gonna hurt you. But I still would recommend putting it face down on the desk. Put it on the desk, face up, facing upwards. You know, it's a good idea. So don't damage anything. You know, don't damage your nice wooden, really nice, honestly, case. Not. I mean, I'm just pulling the cables and hoping that they don't get unplugged. Just plugged in. Yeah, that's definitely plugged in. Wow, that's actually a lot better now because now they're back. Like all these cables are back here. There's a lot less cables here now. It looks way better. I have to put them like that, sort of. Like that, yeah. Jesus. I love awesome design. Anyways, now that we're back here, we can probably connect our good old SATA power. That's the wrong side. SATA power. Where can it plug in? Wow, there's okay. You have two drives. I could basically fill up at least half of the SATA ports on here. Probably more than half. Maybe 70%. They blow out any potential dust. Dust too. You know? Get it? Because this video game. Computer can play video game. Oh, I can screw it in. You can screw screws into the bottom here. Into the screw. Yeah, don't have sort of long nails. That just messed me up because I thought I still had grip, but no, it was just nails. Actually, no screws came with this SSD, and I don't want to trust the screws that came with the case for the SSD. Because I don't know what you know? I'd just rather have it like laying down here, moving around a little, because this falling on the ground is bad. That is true. If this falls on the ground or gets suddenly like boom somewhere, that's bad. But if it happened to a hard drive, you'd be much more worried. Also, if you want to store data, this is what our teacher told us today, and I think last time, like a couple of days ago, he told us that don't store data for a super long time on SSDs because that data will eventually disappear. It ceases to exist, pretty much. It either gets corrupted or just vanishes because that's how aging works. Like hard drive, you can theoretically, like a lot of parts can break on a hard drive. As long as the actual disk parts that spin and store your data, if that's fine, you're Gucci. You're you know, you're safe. Everything's okay. Sunshine and rainbows for everyone. However, once you have a chip, like the important NAND chip that actually stores your data on your SSD, stops working, there's either a super tiny chance you're getting your data back, or you are gonna get your, and if you are gonna get your data back, bye money. Seriously, companies in my country that specialize in getting data off of broken SSDs make an ungodly amount of money doing it. And I'm not surprised either, because holy moly, that's super hard to do. The machines they use is mega advanced. But once you start getting customers that trust you, you're pretty much golden. You're getting so much money every day. You should probably just retire now. Well, not retire, but like, you should probably just relax. Take it easy. Oh, that's until you got competitors trying to one-up you with better prices or faster finishing times or better guarantee. Oh wait, this wasn't it. Or better guarantees, you know? You never know. What? What? No, this is the correct way. What? Oh, I had to push down on the pin. Why is it plugging on the buggy? You know, I'm gonna actually plug this in first. It's actually giving me a big old headache. Yeah, this little stupid pin doesn't want to go in. You know, for clipping onto the SSD. Why can't I just pull it out normally? Oh, this is a locking mechanism. Oh, I do not like it. Why doesn't it lock? It has a mechanism for it to lock, but it just doesn't wanna. The hell, bro? Oh wait, no. Keep it out for now, and then you push it in, and maybe that'll how it will keep in. Yoink. Push. As much as it lets you. Let's see if it yoinks out. Bro! That does not... Yeah, there's basically nothing to grab onto. You just gotta hope you don't tug on the SSD too much. You know? keep it pulled down. Okay, that should be doable. Wouldn't really trust anyone to like pull on the SSD, even if not a lot, because bad, I guess. Bad idea. Bad movie idea. Your mom. Vine boom sound effect. Vine boom sound effect. It's not dead, bro. You're just delusional. God, I'm being so rough with it. That's what she said. Actually, yeah, that works for that's what she said, because I said it. Anyways, it's okay that I'm being rough with it, because it's my computer. If I break it, that's my fault. And a customer won't be angry, because literally not their computer. My personal rig. You know what I would want to upgrade on this computer? I want to get a big, chunky power supply this time, replacing this one essentially. Plus this one's dented. Bad, yucky. Well, that's not the only reason, but this computer is already running really close to not enough. Whoa, that's the GPU. Clean that. Yeah, that dust off. Improve the thermals slightly though. Okay, I'll just... That's rubber. Something. It's sticky. Why is it sticky? It's not even my fault. Not even my fault that it's sticky. So I'm confused now. It's probably soda. Because if it's from me, I'm just gonna be utterly confused, you know? Okay, so the SSD's in. It's plugged. Oh, it's almost plugged into the motherboard. Now it's plugged in. I moved the cables more aside, which means improved airflow, which means better thermals, which also means a less ear-destroying, sleep-ruining fan at night. Check it out. Look at that! There was a bunch of Molex connectors hanging here. Now it's like this. Much cleaner. It could... Oh, definitely could be a lot better than it is now. This is my CPU power splitter. Luckily this bad boy can go up to what? 200 something watts. And I know it's over 250, but probably under 350. Which is why I bought a splitter. So I can have both CPU connectors filled. I was originally searching for like something very dumb, and that was just buy another power supply, somehow put it into this computer case, and then just use them both somehow. I don't know how that was gonna work out. It probably wasn't gonna even. Whoa. Yeah, so much less cables here, which means better airflow. Jesus. Dust still gets in your machine, no matter what. You know? There. Oh, okay. And GPU. Yes, GPU. It's an 8-pin. Only one plug needed. Anyway, let's start assembling it, actually. Or not, actually. No. Let's actually test it out first. You know, actually, let's actually turn it on. Because actually, that's a good idea, you know? Like, actually good idea. Like actually, you know. I just noticed how many times I was saying it, and I decided to make. I was goofy with it. I got the goofy. Okay, give me this power cable. It's off, right? Now it is. How did it go on? When did I do that? It's plugged in, but it's not on. This is my Bluetooth right here. If you can even. No, you can't. Why is that in? Thank you, Samsung. This is my Bluetooth. It's CSR 4.0. It's super small, which makes sense why it starts to make the audio sound really
weird, honestly. It just sounds like the audio starts sounding weird after like an hour or more of use with it, you know, with my super normal masculinity check headphones. Anyways, plug in one of the monitors. Actually, I'm gonna plug in my main monitor, which is this one. And just, yeah, let's do both. I can take both. Oh yeah. What? Yeah, it's oriented the right way. Let's try this one then. Yeah, it's just very tight. Okay. Probably the previous owner probably used display port. It was just never really used this much. Oh yeah, they definitely use the second port more. Look at this. That is loose. This is tight. Watch. Okay, now they're both. I don't get it, man. Now I quit. Anyways, I once the first time I was building this computer, if you remember, I didn't plug in the peripherals when I was booting it up without even having the case yet. I just wanted to see if it worked, and when I did that, it gave me an error code, which I was like, oh no, an error code, that's so bad. But I checked what the error code said, and it actually meant, oh, the error code is there because there's no peripherals. And oh my god, you see how blue my face is? That's what harmful blue light looks like. So if I were to stare at this for too long, oh, they're so bright and great to look at, but bad for eyesight. I can still see the outline. So, hey, wow, this GPU blows well. Hello. Okay, are we getting display? My display is not on. My screen wasn't even on. Okay, we're booting into Windows, so that means we're booting off of the right SSD. Yay! Yay! Awesome! Awesome! Anyways. Also, fun fact. How did I check if I applied the thermal paste? You know, enough thermal paste? Well, CPU cooler got hot. You know, the heatsink part at least. That is not my mouse. Oh. 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 Okay, let me just move it aside for now so I can actually. God, it looks sexy. Oh, yeah. Look at this big boy. He's got more storage now. Let's go. Spinny boy. Spin boy. It looks so cool. Zoo, sharp details. Yes, spinny boy. Whoa. Enough of killing your eyes with blue light, just like I am with mine. That's... Oh, okay. That was a reflection. I thought that was my eyesight for a second. There it is. Weird. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into managing disks. And initializing disk. Before you can use the disk and access it, you should initialize it. I'm having to translate it. Some older versions of Windows don't recognize GPT, Partition Table Guide, or MBR, which is Glowny Zaponski Zapis. Zagonski Zapis. Oh no, we're gonna do Particijska Table Guide. We're gonna do GPT. And that's because we don't need it for booting, which is what the other one says. Well, it's a Gonski Zapis. So we're gonna do that one. And it's already initial. That was quick. I have 476.92 gigs free, and the reason is because of how, you know, this is how math works. It's in a different format of sorts. So if you go into calculator and we type in 512, if we no, wait. I should probably do it first. Okay, never mind. I forgot how to do it. Basically, wait. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try it. Basically, it's in a different type. No, it's bytes and bits.
you know? Not the same thing, which is why it's different. Okay, let's see. This one is in bytes, it measures it in bits. So I have to do divided by 8 times. No, that's 1,000. Whoops. How do I go back? How do I go back? How does one go back? Marcello. Come le Marcello. Oops. Times 100 again. No. No. Okay. Basically, it's bits and bytes. The actual SSD does have 512 gigabytes, but there's also formatting, which takes a little bit of storage with it, and you know, the whole exchange from bits to bytes, which, if we were to go into File Explorer, let me show you. If we go into File Explorer, in this computer, where is my disk? Where is my disk? It said, oh, yes, I want all that. Yes, it should be D. Yes, it should be NTFS. Yeah, just do what you do best. So, fast format. Photo. Okay. Photo. Video. Can I type in OBS? Yes, I can. Fast format, no. Blah, 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 blah. Finish. Formatting, let's go. Okay, they open up immediately. See, now we have more storage available for us. Oh, devil number. Basically, last time I filmed a bunch of videos on, like, you know, me gaming, the file size... Shut up! The file size was over 200 gigs. And now it's on my hard drive. I don't know how long that hard drive is gonna last. There's a little over 1 terabyte of storage left. Luckily, this thing should be able to hold it off for now. You know, its demise. Because I'm gonna, you know, when I'm gonna film videos, you know, like OBS, oh my god, CSGO, Roblox, SCP Secret Laboratory, no, SCP Secret. SCP Special Edition. Okay, that's what it's called. Okay, cool. And the other, which is just stuff I don't need, pretty much. Roblox. Look at him. He's hiding from me. There's something inside you. It's hard to explain. Anyways, super low resolution. So Roblox, probably not a problem. 35 megs for 4 files. Okay. Basically, let me show you what I was talking about earlier. See? Smoglivos, which is the actual capability, is 512. 092.008.448 bytes. Let's just convert it into bits, I think, since it's smaller. I guess, I don't know. I do know that you actually have this much usable space, but it's how much actual space is like, you know, on the actual disk. You know, it says less storage. Same goes for my 1 terabyte SSD. See, I have 70 gigs less. Oh damn, even originally it doesn't have 1 terabyte. Look at that. Technically that still counts as a terabyte, but it, you know, pretty close. This, however, is slightly over half a terabyte. You won't get exact 1 terabyte, 512 gigs, 256. You always get like very close to that number, you know? Not exactly, but very close. Very close. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. I gotta assemble it. Oh god. Now, if you want to assemble a computer, you know what you do? You have to shut it off. So this harmful blue light gets out of my face. Oh my god. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. It does take some time to turn off. Okay. Bye bye, no spinny boy. Wow, it doesn't spin perfectly. Like the middle is like when it spins, so it doesn't spin perfectly. That's what I'm trying to say. So first we're gonna do a little thing of turn that power supply off switch and then unplug it. And we're gonna put this thing back together. We're just gonna assemble it once more and we'll be fine. There's something inside you. Ow. Okay, we're just gonna hope this closes. Pray to Jesus. Kids. Fun fact, why do gay people still do, like, you know, LGBTQ? Why do they still do rallies on the streets in countries where they're socially accepted and get a ton of perks? Like, bro, I'm just trying to sell a phone for like $20. I don't need to do this right now. Sure, I'm part of it, but damn, I don't need to deal with it. Holy moly, dude. Like, damn, it just makes it. How is this? Wow, this is so tight. These holes are very tiny. I'm surprised any airflow is getting through here. Yeah, same goes for this. It's like tilted up, so it just goes like this. The air has to go in through here, like that. So it's just going directly in. It's fully glass. The signs could have at least been bigger, you know, if they made it like that. That looks so weird. Why does it look so weird? It looks like a sloppy job. Oh, yeah, that's what we call a sloppy job. Damn. No, not today. Not today, Michael. Michael, not today. I should have. I could have at any time just hit this with my chair and potentially break. Is that a scratch? That's a scratch. Oh no. How did I get so many scratches? I mean, this big scratch is definitely new, but damn. What's the orientation again? Oh, it's like this. Right? This is on the inside. It looks really nice when this is looking outside, this matte finish. However, it's better if it's on the inside, because metal. And it's basically stronger. It'll survive it better. I don't know. If I let go, what happens if I let go? It barely stays on. If I were to just move this part, it would just, you know, it kind of hangs there. It still holds on because this front part is slightly bigger than where you put this plexiglass panel, but still, it just put all the screws in. You'll get, what my teacher at least says, better ventilation and you know, less dust, potential dust inside your computer. Plus, it just looks better. All 4 in, instead of just 2 in, like now. Like what? It's like a skirt, bro. What? Why do you want your computer to have a skirt? Seriously, look at. Why does my brain do that? I hear sound that's potentially bad, and I just do it again just to hear it again. Like, bro, why? You're gonna break your shit. Thanks, me. You're so cool, me. Can this? It doesn't want to go in. You're currently on my iFixit kit. I literally cannot do a single thing about it. I am incapable of moving a phone that's almost 300 grams heavy. Well, I can't move a computer that's definitely like at least a couple of kilos heavy. I mean, it probably is. I wouldn't be surprised. heavy is it? You know, at school today, I tested it out on a computer that had an old Samsung SSD M.2, and turns out, even though it's got the latest BIOS it supports, you can't use it as a boot drive. You couldn't use M.2 drives as a boot drive back in the day. And also, the motherboard on that machine was sold. You had to use PCIe Express slots just to have an M.2 in your computer. Oh yeah, another thing. What else about it? Thinking right now. Well, 3 RAM sticks, and they were all DDR sticks. Yeah, DDR1, not even DDR2. Well, DDR2 was overheating mess, but DDR1 running at 800 megahertz. That's what it reported in the task manager. Just nuts. Hearing 800 megahertz nowadays is like a crime. It's like, what do you mean 800? what prank are you pulling on me? It's like, it's not a prank, bro. It's actually 800. And you're like, what the fuck? What are you talking about? Oh, you know what I did? Because I just moved the computer instead of just picking it up. I ended up pushing all the messy ass cables behind the computer instead of under it. That means better airflow for the power supply and the computer overall. The only cable I'm still gonna put under is this cable for my charger, because ironically, this just doesn't look good. You know, being super long. Where did it go? I just pushed it under and it just disappeared. Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. Guy! Oh yeah, lunch. Let's just assume this computer works. I mean, it probably does. I didn't even do much to it. I just put the side panels back on. That's it. We got more storage now. We got more storage. Yeah, if I had stuff organized, I probably wouldn't have to deal with the fact that I had to look for the cable for like 5 to 10 minutes. So we could probably shave this entire process down to half an hour. Especially if I didn't, you know, film this. Yeah, thanks for watching. I don't know. Whee!